Hello my friends, welcome to Bonbonina channel. Today I made this beautiful Fraisier cake, and it's summer and it's strawberry season, and that's what you need for this cake, strawberries. And this is no bake cake. You don't need too many ingredients for this beautiful summer dessert, but well, it's a Fraisier, so you need strawberry. And I had a sponge cake in my freezer. You can bake any sponge cake you like, or you can use cookies like you use for the tiramisu, like, you know, long lady fingers will work perfectly, so you don't need to bake anything. So like I said, I had the sponge cake. I already cut it in half, and I put one half on the bottom of my prepared mold with acetate. And right now I'm done with this, and I put it aside for a little while. So I soaked my gelatin. It soaked and it bloomed. So right now we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. An egg, so an egg and a sugar, and mixing it really well. Flour, corn flour, I already preheated my milk, so I'm going slowly mix my hot milk with the egg mixture. Now I'm returning it to the pot. Basically, it's a pastry cream what I'm making right now. And I'm adding secret ingredient. I made a pistachio paste, so I'm using my pistachio paste. You don't have it, you don't have to use it. It's going back to the heat, and it should get thicker. Okay, my pistachio pastry cream is ready. As you can see, it's quite thick. And now I'm moving there my soaked and bloomed gelatin. My pistachio cream is ready. I covered it with the plastic wrap so it touches the cream, and now we have to wait till it cools down to the room temperature. While it's cooling down, we're gonna work with our strawberry. So I washed and dried my strawberry. So some of the strawberries I'm gonna cut in half, and some of the strawberries I'm gonna leave whole. My pastry cream is cooled down to the room temperature, but first we're gonna put our strawberry in. So I put it between my cake and my ring, cut side out so it touches the ring, like that. And I put my strawberries all around. That's done. Now I whipped my cream to the firm peaks, and now I'm gonna mix it with my pastry cream. That looks beautiful, and now I'm moving my mixture to the bag. Put my whole strawberries on top of my cake. Oh, just like that. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Now I'm going to put my cream, half of my cream on top of the strawberries and on top of the cake. Put my second sponge cake on top of the strawberries. Something happened. For this size of cake, there was not enough of cream, so I had to make one more batch. So it's ready, and I'm finishing cake now. So now it's done, it's ready. It's going to fridge, not freezer. It's going to stay there overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to take it out to the ring and I'm going to decorate it. So I'll see you tomorrow. My cake spent night in the fridge. Now I'm going to remove my ring. Alright, that's good. And now I'm removing acetate. That looks really nice, isn't it? Now to decorate. So I grinded some pistachios, and now I'm just going to cover my cake with this pistachio powder. That looks really nice. And now I'm decorating, of course, with strawberry. And that's it. I am done. Doesn't it look pretty and very summery and very seasonal, because we used strawberries and no bake. So make it, enjoy it. Well, I hope you make it. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't already. Press a bell down below and you will get notifications about all my videos. Leave a comment and I'll see you in my next video.